Hi everyone, my name is Emma Blake and I am the school leader of the Art Evangelist School here at Youth with a Mission, Perth, Australia. The Art Evangelist School is a second level training school that we have been running here for 13 years every October, and we're just giving you guys a bit of an insight into the different weeks that we have in the school that make the school unique. One of the very key unique weeks of the Art Evangelist School is the Holy Spirit and the design process. And the design process is really a problem-solving tool. Many designers use it, many artists use it, but the way that we make it different is we add the Holy Spirit and the steps of intercession in the midst of our design process. It's really great because we have a limited creativity and understanding, but God has an infinite imagination and creativity that we can tap into and we can relate to. So it's really exciting to watch the students go through a process of really thinking of their own ideas and thinking of things in their own strengths, but then in the midst of them relating to God and hearing from God and then trying things that God tells them to do, really just seeing things open up and really seeing just the enjoyment of creating with God and trying new things. So that's a lot of what the design process is about. It's about asking God, trying new things, diverging and converging, so thinking of all the new things, brainstorming, mind mapping, but then converging and trying new materials and trying new things. So the design process is very exciting to see some students work through. I've got some artwork here from one of the students from last year. Her name is Ellie. So we start off by doing 50 thumbnails. So I have here some of Ellie's thumbnails here. We'll get a little close-up look of them. But Ellie's style, when she first started her thumbnails, was very controlled and very detailed, but as she went along the process and as she processed with God, they got a bit more abstract and a bit more free, which was really exciting to see. And then as she continued on in the design process, she felt like God was saying to move more into sort of this sort of direction of just doing the ink blots and just focusing on details with that kind of thing. So she practiced on different materials and mediums. It was really enjoyable to see her stepping out of her comfort zone and moving forward in areas that she would have never normally tried, but because God spoke and because she was trying something new, that she was able to create in the midst of that, which was really fun. And then this was her final piece for her design process, which was, I think, the piece that she was most proud of on the school, not because necessarily it was the most technical or took the longest time or anything like that, but really just the way that God spoke to her and led her. It just was really precious moment for her. And so yeah, so we do a week on the design process, but then we do use the things that we learn in the design process week on outreach and beyond. I've definitely used Holy Spirit in the design process with everything from teaching notes to murals to designing furniture to all of the above to discipling my kids. So the design process is awesome. If you want to know more about it, we'd love to hear from you. If you want to know more about the Art Evangelist School, we'd love to hear from you. You can check us out on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or look on our website. If there's other topics that you guys are interested in, that you want to know about, like you see the title, you want to know, let us know and we can see what we can do. But thanks for watching. Bye.